to chapter number 14, Saving for the Future. So, in this chapter, we will come to know that for the future, it is very necessary to save the money. Actually, saving the money is not an easy work, it is a challenging work and it needs the discipline. Only then it will be easier for us to save money. So we must have to save money for our future, either from the income or from our pocket money. Our saved money can also help us when we need it for some important work and urgent work. So we should have to bring out the habit of saving the money. We can see it from this story in your chapter. Actually, this story says that a person who saves the money, he has the other qualities also, that he is very disciplined. The saving money brings the quality of responsibility, and also that person is very kind hearted, he is very punctual in all his works. That's what we will study in this chapter. Now we are seeing here that two brothers are there and both are twins, but their qualities are different. One is that is Amit. Amit is quiet and he does all the things in time. Whereas Sumit is a merry-making person. He is talkative and he also waited to do everything for the last possible minute. तो हम क्या देख रहे हैं कि दो भाई हैं, हालांकि दोनों ही जुड़वा हैं, लेकिन एक शांत है और हर कार्य शांति से करता है और टाइम पे करता है, जबकि सुमित है वो बहुत टॉकेटिव है और वो आखिरी समय पे उसका हर एक काम कंप्लीट होता है। जब उसे लगता है कि अब समय नहीं बचा, उसी वक्त उसका कार्य कंप्लीट होता है। हालांकि दोनों ही ट्विंस हैं, लेकिन उनकी हैबिट्स डिफरेंट है। नाउ हियर वी आर सीइंग दैट अमित हैज़ आल्सो द क्वालिटी ऑफ सेविंग द चेंजेस what he gets from the left out fares or lunch box money, he put it in a piggy bank. तो जो भी कुछ मिलता है चेंज, वो पैसा चाहे कितना भी कम हो वो पिगी बैंक में रखता है। उसकी ये आदत है, उसका एक शौक भी है। जबकि सुमित क्या करता है, सभी अपने स्नैक्स में उड़ा देता है और वह अमित की इस हैबिट से पे बहुत हंसता भी है। सो ही ऑलवेज यूज टू लव ऑन द हैबिट ऑफ सेविंग मनी। वन डे व्हाट हैपन्स that they are thinking for their mother's birthday that what they will gift. Amit is brilliant that he will present something from that piggy bank money. But Sumit is thinking that what he will give to the mother, and if he is unable to gift her mother something, then he will feel ashamed, or he may feel insulted of not giving anything to her mother. So the whole night he think about that. At the last he thought, okay, I will gift a car to my mother. She would be happy in that. But at the end, he is unable to make that card also. Now here we are seeing that he is not even having the habits of doing the work in time. Whereas Amit is very quiet and he knows that what he has to do the next day. So next day Sumit go to her mother and say her happy birthday, giving her mother a hug and a kiss, and the mother thanks her. And the same Amit also does. But moreover, he handed a bouquet of beautiful red roses to his delighted mother and a card which said a lots of love from Amit and Sumit. Now Sumit thanks Amit for putting his name on the card. Now he also says sorry that he was wrong, that he was laughing on the saving of the spare changes. Now he asked Amit that give me some suggestions how to save money. Number one, proper management is essential for a good life. So we must save some money of our income or the pocket money. We should spend our money carefully. That's why proper management is very essential for a good life. Try to save money from the pocket money also. Whenever you get money as a gift, put it into your piggy immediately. He says that whenever even the gift as a money you get, you keep or save it in your piggy bank. Money saved becomes a great help during the difficult times. Keep a piggy bank and begin saving even if it is just a few coins and make a start. If you think that you will save the money when you get a good amount of money, then you are wrong. Always, if a penny you are getting, if a small amount you are getting, start the saving from that point itself. Because every effort of saving a little money will add to a large amount of money one day. What you are thinking is a small amount, one day it will become a big amount. You can increase your saving by cutting down the unnecessary expenses. So always cut down your unnecessary expenses. Don't expense your coins in useless things. Even if you follow these steps of saving money, one day what will happen? You will save the money for your college education, for your new bicycle, and even further for your new car. So you shall or you will need to learn how to save your money. So it is very important to save the money to think for the big achievements, because every penny counts, every penny saved is earned, क्योंकि हर एक पैसा एक काउंट है, एक गिनती है, और जितना आप सेव करेंगे इसका मतलब आपने उतना कमाया है. This what we get the lesson from this chapter, saving from the future.